Reports are fed by two daily actions: the end-of-day sales photo and logging waste, both live on the dashboard. The first, at closing, a photo is taken of the sales report. Each line is matched to a recipe with a confidence percentage, and that match can be changed by hand. The second action, waste. When something gets thrown out, it's logged on the spot: product, quantity, and reason. That data is what builds the Reports tab. At the top, menu profitability in 3 figures. Sales for the period. The theoretical COGS, which is what the raw ingredients of the dishes sold cost, according to their recipes. And the food cost percentage, which is the share of every dollar sold that goes on product. Below, the dish-by-dish detail: units sold, average price, cost per serving, sales and margin. The margin is color-coded: green from 70% up, red below 55. A margin in red means raising the price, reducing the portion, or buying for less. Dishes tagged "No recipe" add to the sales figure, but have no calculated cost. The second report compares actual against theoretical. Each row is a product from the inventory. Theoretical usage is what should have been used, based on the dishes sold and their recipes. Waste is what was declared as thrown out. Recorded inventory is what's been counted in the storeroom, and should have is the subtraction: inventory minus usage minus waste, what should be left if everything adds up. When that number comes out negative, in red, the recount tag appears. More product has been used than is on record. It could be an old count or a loss that was never logged. The fix: recount that product, and if a waste entry was missing, log it. Then the row balances. The period adjusts here too: 7, 30, or 90 days. At the bottom, there's a section for the products that can't be compared because they have no linked inventory item, or because the units don't match. Once linked, they move into the full report. And at the very end, the total theoretical cost for the period, all the product used and wasted, in a single number. With the closing photo taken and the waste logged, the app shows which dishes make money, what every dollar of sales cost, and where product is being lost.